The TCL 75-inch class packs unparalleled picture quality into your living room, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. Imagine walking into a room where every single detail of the screen comes alive, where you can see every texture, every curve, every nuance in crystal clear. That's what this TV delivers. With its QD Mini LED technology, TCL has somehow managed to squeeze pixel-level precision into the most mainstream TV on the market. The result? A viewing experience that feels almost too good to be true. But it's not just about looks. The TCL 75-inch class also boasts an insane HDR brightness of up to 3000 nits, making it perfect for use in even the brightest rooms. Want to know what that means in real life? It means you can watch your favorite shows without worrying about the picture getting washed out by the sunlight streaming through the window. And then there's the sound system, or should I say, the immersive audio experience. With TCL's AI-PQ Processor Pro and Game Accelerator 288, this TV transforms your living room into a virtual stadium, where every game, movie, and show comes alive in stunning clarity. The processor is so smart that it can detect even the slightest delay in response time, ensuring that your gaming sessions are silky smooth. But what really sets this TV apart is its ability to deliver pure black levels with up to 2500 precisely controlled local dimming zones. That's a mouthful, I know, but trust me when I say that it makes all the difference. Imagine watching a movie where every shadow is so deep and dark that you can practically touch them. It's like having your own personal cinematic experience right in your home. And let's not forget about the CRYST Glow HVA panel, which blocks reflections, ensuring that image details always remain crisp and visible, no matter what angle you're viewing from. Whether you're watching a football game or just chilling out with friends, this TV has got you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the investment? Absolutely. In fact, once you see what this TV can do for your viewing experience, you'll wonder how you ever settled for anything less. So why wait? Head to the link below to get your TCL 75-inch class today and discover a whole new world of cinematic bliss. Link to purchase.